In a vast, azure ocean, nestled within the crevices of an ancient coral reef, lived a wise Moray eel named Moro. Moro was different from the other eels. He had a unique ability to see far beyond the ocean's depths, a gift that allowed him to foresee the future. One day, a great storm swept across the ocean, causing a torrent of currents that threatened to wash Moro away. Facing the churning water, Moro pondered his fate. He knew that if he stayed, he would surely be swept away, never to return. But he also knew that if he left the safety of his home, he might never find another place as perfect. Moro was faced with a difficult decision: stay and risk his life, or leave and risk losing his home. He spent days and nights contemplating his choice. The other eels, unaware of Moro's predicament, huddled together for warmth, seemingly oblivious to the danger looming. Moro, in his wisdom, realized that life was about more than just survival. It was about growth, change, and adapting to new environments. He understood that leaving his home was not a loss, but a step towards new adventures and experiences. With a heavy heart, Moro swam out into the storm, battling the currents as he left the familiar behind. As he swam, he found that the storm had a silver lining. It revealed a hidden world, teeming with life and beauty, that he had never known existed. Moro's journey taught him the true meaning of life. It's not about clinging to what is familiar, but about embracing the unknown, growing, and adapting. The wise Moray Eel returned to his former home, sharing his newfound wisdom with the other eels. From then on, the eels no longer cowered in fear of change. They learned to embrace it, to adapt, and to grow, just like their wise leader, Moro. And so, the once timid eels became a symbol of resilience and wisdom, forever living by the teachings of their fearless leader.